Reliable robot grasping of a diverse range of objects without training is a grand challenge that could benefit e-commerce order fulfillment, manufacturing, and service robots. One limitation is that a single gripper cannot handle all objects. For example, a suction cup cannot create a seal on porous objects. To address this problem, we introduce an ambidextrous approach that is compatible with multiple grippers. DexNet 4.0 learns ambidextrous deep grasping policies by training on synthetic datasets created with structured domain randomization and analytic models of sensors, objects, heaps, and the physics and geometry of each gripper. On this robot with 2 grippers, the DexNet 4.0 policy consistently clears bins of up to 25 previously unseen objects to achieve a rate of over 300 picks per hour with 95% reliability.